Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you happen to be catching this from. If you're new here, my name is Les. I'm one of the founders of the Marketing Engine, and I wanted to tell you that we are bringing you what's called Marketing Mastery. It is a program like no other, not a course, a program. So as you can see, I'm scrolling through on my phone to show you that this program actually helps you grow your brand step by step. And it doesn't leave you figuring it out all alone. So stop scrolling if you've been looking for a program because you found it. So this Marketing Mastery program is an 18-week instructor-led program that no one else in this space is offering at all. For an hour and a half each day, we tackle the topics most entrepreneurs are going to struggle with, like building a standout brand or crafting marketing campaigns. Like I said, it's an hour and a half each day for a week solid on specific topics. So this program isn't just about throwing information at you. It's about guiding you on this roadmap on your journey each step of the way. So each day, we're going to walk you through the challenges that you might face, offering solutions and strategies, and giving you personalized feedback. It's a complete map for you guys based on your specific needs. Here's the cool part. You don't have to purchase the whole program. If you don't feel you need all of the weeks, as you can see when scrolling through my phone, you can purchase 1 week at a time if you choose. So that's the other bonus. Nobody is doing this in this space at all. It is an instructor-led program every day on topics, and you can choose to buy them weeks at a time. You don't have to buy the whole program. I recommend it, obviously, but totally your call. And that live daily support and personalized guidance is going to give you what you need, right? So you're not going to feel stuck. You're not going to feel lost. You're not going to feel like you're missing something, right? So inside this 18-week program, you're going to learn things like how to build a brand that stands out in a crowded market, strategies to create marketing campaigns that drive real results. You're going to be able to master social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the things, right? And then you're going to learn how to scale your audience and income with confidence, all right? So this isn't just another online course. Marketing Mastery is a program designed to give you the tools, support, and confidence to build the business you've been dreaming of. So spots are limited. Don't wait. Right now we're in pre-launch pricing until December 15th, and it's time to build your future with us. Let's build it together, all right? The only way you can get that pre-launch pricing is either to join our wait list and or join our free Facebook group. I will link both around here, wherever you are watching this from, whatever platform it may be on. If you look, you will find a Facebook link somewhere. If you do not, please send a message, send an email, whatever you have to do to get that link. But let's get you learning starting January 1st with a program that's going to give you the roadmap you need to create the business of your dreams. Have a great day.